Hello, learners. Hope you are having fun while exploring new tools at home. So, let's get started with another amazing task. It's called Color My Favorite Summer Fruit. In the summer season, we get so many delicious fruits. Here I have attached the images of a few fruits in a tool called Paint. So, to open Paint, click on the pictures below, do the right click, choose the option Open with Paint. Here I have attached the images of a few fruits. You need to just color the fruits using your imagination and thinking skills. Can you do that? Let's get started with it. You can choose bucket tool, you can choose brushes. And look, I have completed. I have colored the first image and the name of, can you tell me the name of this fruit? Watermelon. Yes, you are right. Its name is watermelon. Similarly, color rest of the fruits and have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.